What's going on, gang, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're making a beat for none other than Pooh Shiesty himself in Ableton. So if you're ready, let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're definitely going to be starting with the piano. Seems like he likes to get on a lot of like dark piano beats, and we'll add a couple other layers with it as well, but let's first start with the piano. We're going to be at about 145 BPM, and let's do the G minor scale, and then we're just going to start playing with some top notes really quick and start getting something going here. Alright, so we got a really simple pattern going right now. It sounds like this. But let's put some bass notes to kind of carry this pattern along. So we're just going to go down a couple octaves here. Alright, so we're going to take this now and layer it with another octave. See how it sounds down here. Alright, so we're going to end up using this grand piano instead, but let's go ahead and throw some reverb on it. Let's go ahead and get another instrument in here. Thinking about using some kind of like a string orchestral sound, so let's go ahead and find something like that right now. Alright, let's get some violins in here. We're going to add a very basic pattern with this as well. Do some kind of a spiccato to go with this. Play with the octaves a little bit. I think we'll layer these octaves. But I want these ones to be, I want these top ones right here to be a lot less loud. So we're going to turn the velocities on all those down a little bit here. So I ended up just taking this down an octave from where it was. So we're not using quite as high of octave, so it sounds like this now. Let's go ahead and find some kind of an ARP we can layer with these. Alright, so we're going to go with this one. Sounds like this. And all we did was we took those bass notes from the piano and we just like put them up a couple octaves right here, so it kind of follows along with that. We're also going to drown this ARP in some reverb. A little bit more than we did for the piano. Alright, so after drowning that in reverb, I decided I want to pick a different ARP, so this one sounds even better to me. It's called Codeine. So that's what it sounds like. And then we can go ahead and start slapping some drums on this. Get a snare in here real quick. Start with a two-step hi-hat pattern. get another snare in here to play counter with this one. Alright, let's get an open hi-hat in here now. Change up this pattern just a little bit, added another note in right here, changed where this one was at, made it closer, so sounds like this now. We're going to add another open hi-hat in here, just to play on the 1. Alright, cool, so let's start working on the 808 now. I'm going to go ahead and copy over the art pattern from the 808. We can get rid of one of these layers here. And these are the notes that we're going to be lining up with our 808 here. You can make sure to turn these up all the way, and I'm going to go ahead and pick out a Spins 808 to use for this. Try putting this up an octave here. Alright, so I went ahead and changed up the melody a little bit, nothing too crazy. So on the piano, I pretty much changed up the pattern, made it a lot more simple. So you can see this is what we had originally here, a little bit going on, and now we just have a couple notes, as you can see, a lot more simple, and this is what the piano sounds like now. Okay, and the notes are obviously a little bit lower. These ones seem to be about an octave higher, so it makes the piano sound a little more dark this way, and it's a lot easier to follow, and it's more simple, so it just worked out a lot better. And then the only other thing that I did is I changed the sound for the ARP once again. Same pattern as before, everything's the same there, but now the pattern sounds like this. So just change the noise that we use, and altogether they sound like this now. Okay, and all we have left to do is now we gotta fill out this kick and finish that up, and then we'll be good to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy over this 808 pattern right here, and let's play around with it a little bit. I'm gonna turn off the instruments for this, and we'll just hear the drums for now. Maybe put another one right here. And I'm just going to drop these kick notes down to A right here. It sounds a little better being all the way down there. Alright guys, so this is what we ended up with. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the video. Make sure to like this video for me and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We're uploading videos all the dang time, so you're not going to want to miss out on those. And besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.